Good morning, students. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Students, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir, audible.
Students, today we will do two experiments. First one is instrumentation amplifier and second one is Wheatstone bridge. Already we have covered these two topics in theory class. So today we will complete these two experiments. And here I am showing you one website, that is Multisim Simulation Lab. And here you can see instrumentation amplifier circuit. While we are discussing theory class, in theory class, I have shown the same circuit. Here we are using three operational amplifiers. Thus, this triangular device is known as operational amplifier. So, operational amplifier is nothing but a differential amplifier. It will take two inputs. V1 is first input, V2 is second input, and they are amplified here at the first and second operational amplifiers, and amplified output will be input to the third operational amplifier. The third operational amplifier is working as a differential amplifier. That means it will receive two inputs and it will subtract one from another, and it will amplify the difference of the two inputs. All of you go to this website, students. And this is also instrumentation amplifier simulation circuit. I am posting website address in the chat box. Open two websites. So here resistors are represented with the symbol of the resistor, but here resistors are represented with the blocks, rectangular blocks. And here resistors and RG, resistor R and RG have values, but they are different from this website. Okay, all of you open your websites by using these links. I have posted links in the website. Go to that websites. Students, now I will call roll numbers. They have to switch on their mics and they have to share their screens as we did in the last week, the lab session. So I will record all your responses. If you are unable to share your screens and if you are not giving responses, I will cut marks. So this is a continuation evaluation lab session. So be ready. So randomly I will call roll numbers. You have to share your screens. So who is this student's ZCSC? Student, log in with your roll number. Otherwise, I will remove you from the session. ZCSC. Student, change your name, roll number. Otherwise, I will remove from the lab session. ZCSC student, change your name with the reason number.
Sir, can you give us the last 20 minutes or half an hour free? We have mid-term exam.
At what time?
Sir, 11. I mean 11:15 to 12. We have
I will wind up by 10:40. Don't worry.
okay, sir.